meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Well, the Pacific Ocean chock full of storms, and we got another big one on the way. Several days out, this will impact the weather late week into the weekend, with a big push of warm air coming up ahead of the storm, and then quite a bit of cool air coming in behind it. So you're going to see big fluctuations in temperatures as we look into that weekend weather forecast. But before that arrives, we got this storm system that's now plowing into the Pacific Northwest with a warm front that's bringing widespread moderate to heavy rain, and some of that wet weather is going to start to nudge closer and closer to western Montana, and that will eventually bring an increasing shot of snow our way throughout the day tomorrow and maybe into tomorrow evening. One short wave is moving out, and we got a little bit of hits and miss pockets of snow over mountain ranges. Not a big deal here for tonight, but by later tonight into tomorrow, as that initial push of moisture hits the western half of Montana, there is a winter weather advisory from midnight tonight through 2 p.m. tomorrow, and there will be some difficult wintry travel out there in those far western mountain ranges and mountain passes. So you can see by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's pressing up against the state line, and then it begins to bring these scattered hit and miss rain and snow showers across southwest Montana off and on throughout the day, not all day long, but there could be some moderate banding of snow tomorrow evening. And again, this could pose some wintry travel concerns for your Wednesday morning commute, not so much for tomorrow morning. But we'll clear out briefly, and then we'll pick up a little bit more in the way of cloud cover on Thursday, and there could be a few more snow showers dancing around the region. So our snowfall forecast models are showing we could pick up an inch or two in lower valleys, but higher elevations are likely to see quite a bit of snow. I think 4 to 6 for Bozeman is a little on the extreme side, because we're going to see temperatures stay in the upper 30s and lower 40s. So if we pick up some snow at night, that definitely will be melting off along the way. Clear skies right now in Butte. We're down at 33, maxed out at 37. At 27 was the overnight low. 42 and 30, well above average for temperatures today in Bozeman, and just under 0.2 of an inch of water content in the snow over the last 24. So you can see temperatures are mixed in the 30s in eastern Montana. Got some 30s and 40s, and a little bit windier and a little bit warmer along the Rocky Mountain front, but a good mix of 20s and 30s here across southwestern parts of the state. So tonight we'll go with teens and 20s. Partly cloudy to clear skies. Watch for some valley fog tomorrow morning and locally windy. Tomorrow 30s, maybe some lower 40s in there once again, and these are near the slightly above average, but only by a few degrees. Teens and 20s under partly cloudy skies. Will be a little bit colder tonight. Winds will be fairly light, and tomorrow max temperatures should climb into the mid 30s to the lower 40s tomorrow afternoon, with increasing clouds and some off and on snow showers. Wednesday will be between disturbances. We'll pick up another little shot of snow, not all day, but a few snow showers are possible Thursday. But with some warmer air moving in, there could be some rain showers on Friday, and yeah, we could be in the 50s, nudging closer to 60 degrees on Saturday. But there could be a lot of wind with that, and we're going to continue to monitor that part of the forecast. But once a cold front moves through, it cools down pretty sharply by Monday of next week, with some increasing snow showers then as well. Butte, a lot of variety in your numbers as well. Upper 30s to lower 40s, and even a lower 50 on Saturday, but falling rapidly right back down there in the 20s a week from today. Dillon will go with a slight chance for snow tomorrow. A little bit of wet weather on Sunday will put you in the 50s for one day, and upper 20s a couple days after that. In West Yellowstone, snow likely for your Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, and into Monday. And you could actually see the lower 40s on Saturday, but again, it's just very short-lived, a little warm-up, and then we'll cool right back down again.
All right, thanks, Mike. Nick Petrotoni's in with sports. A little tribute to Kobe Bryant from a Montana perspective.
It comes to us from Great Falls and the University of Providence, how one chance meeting in California led to a whole different perspective.